Yes. That is the case that I decided that ethically I couldn't perform. I couldn't zealously pursue that argument because of the strong convictions I have about abortion. So that is one of the two cases that I decided for ethical reasons I shouldn't be involved, and you know, on a policy matter, I think that it's far too restrictive on women and their ability to function free in our state.